How are you, grade 1? All of you fine? I hope so. So, grade 1, open your English book, Unit 3, and the unit name is Her Garden, His Field. Open page number 43. Now I am read the question. Imagine that the little girl and the rabbit write notes to each other. This is the little girl note. Mr. Rabbit, please come to play in my garden. The little girl writes note to Mr. Rabbit and says, come and play in my garden. Now look at number 1, its example. Now look at number 1. Write the note that Mr. Rabbit wrote. Now in this question, Mr. Rabbit wrote to little girl. And Mr. Rabbit says, little girl, please come and play in my field. This note write by Mr. Rabbit to little girl. Now look at number 2. Write two notes from Wise Crow, A and B. Now in this question, a crow write a note to the little girl and the Mr. Rabbit. Look at number 1. To the little girl, please play in your garden. Because little girl play in her garden. So crow is say, little girl play in your garden. And B, now crow write a note to Mr. Rabbit. Mr. Rabbit, please play in your field. This is sung by crow. Write by crow. Done. All of you write like that. Now open page number 44. Read the words aloud. Read this word in phonics like that. P-A-T, pat. T-A-B, tab. S-A-K, K and K together sound is K. S-A-K, sack. T-R-A-K, track. F-L-A-T, flat. Strap, strap. Read in phonics, okay? Read the phrases aloud. Tap, Dan. Pack, map. Strap, sack. Flat, track. Now read the sentences aloud. The rabbit sang an old song. Dan took a tram to bandstand. So this read in phonics. Now look at number 2. Look at the picture. Read what the children are saying to each other. First girl is saying, hi, I am Saima Kareem. I am from Karachi. I am studying St. Theresa's. Now boy is saying, hello, I am Saad Ahmed. I am from National School in Lahore. They are meet to each other and they introduce, the girl introduce herself and the boy introduce himself. Now look at number 3. Work in pair. Talk to your neighbors in the same way. Tell her or him your name, the name of your school and the name of town. So names, here is now some names, some school names and some places name. So we talk like Saima and Saad. For example, Benjamin John. Benjamin John saying, hi, I am Benjamin John from Islamabad. I am studying in Central School. Now Asma is saying, I am Asma Javed from Quetta and I read in Happy School. Then Rabia is saying, I am Rabia Iqbal. I am from Kids School in Peshawar. Then Muhammad Irfan is saying, Hi, I am Muhammad Irfan. I am from DV School from Islamabad. Zara Naseem, hi, I am Zara Naseem from AN School in Sawat. Now open your notebooks. First tick on homework. Write date. And the date is 9 July 2020. And the day is Thursday. Then write topic. And the topic is question answer. Look at question number 1. Do you think Wise Crow was right? All of you write your answer by own self. Everyone know when little girl says to Mr. Rabbit, play in my garden, and Mr. Rabbit says to girl, play in my field. Then Crow is saying, little girl play in her garden and Rabbit play in his garden. So it was right or wrong? If right, say right, Crow was right. If you think Crow was wrong, so you are right. Crow was not right. Crow was wrong. This answer write by own self. Okay. Look at number 2. What else could the little girl and Mr. Rabbit have done? They have found another place that both of them like. Little girl not play in field because she says field is a cold area and Mr. Rabbit says garden is small. So the other way is both of them choose another place for playing together. So they have found another place that both of them liked. So dear student, it's your homework. Write on your notebook. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.